In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform designed to help you manage tasks, projects, and team collaboration all in one place. But sometimes those notifications can get a little overwhelming, especially when you're trying to focus. Whether you need a short break from alerts or want to customize your notification settings for specific periods, I'll guide you step by step through the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take control of your notifications in ClickUp. To get started, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method, whether that's entering your email and password or signing in with a connected account like Google. Once you're logged in, you'll see your ClickUp workspace. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture or your initials displayed there. Go ahead and click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, locate and select the option labeled Notifications. This will take you directly to your notification controls, where you can adjust how and when you receive alerts. Now, within the Notifications area, you'll see options to mute notifications. This is where you can choose how long you'd like to pause ClickUp notifications. If you need a quick break, you can select one of the preset durations, such as 30 minutes or 1 hour. But if you require more flexibility, there's also a custom option available. Choosing custom allows you to set a specific length of time or even define start and end times for your mute settings. Once you've made your selection, double-check to ensure that your mute settings are saved or active before you close the menu. This step is important to make sure your preferences are applied properly. And that's it. If you ever need to adjust your notifications again or unmute them earlier than planned, you can simply return to the same menu and make the changes you need. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore all the productivity tools they offer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.